So I made a song generator that it generates the song in Java, and then I put it into Matlab and it plays. So right here I just have the constructor pretty much setting it up so that it'll be in the format for Java, and then I have a second constructor to do it again. This part makes a scale, and then I have all the different types of scales, so it chooses one of those randomly. So based on the scale, I had A, B, C, D, E, F, different step numbers that I would add to the starting note. And so I added those to the starting note, and then if it was up an octave, then I subtracted 12 and increased the octave number. So at this point, I have it make the song's rhythm and note pattern. I pretty much had all these matrices of the possible rhythm combinations, and then I just shuffled them to choose a rhythm for the motif. As for the notes, maybe the pattern is it goes up, then it stays there, and then it goes down twice, something like that. Well, I would flip that pattern upside down, I'd flip it backwards, just a bunch of different ways to rearrange it so that it sounds similar to the ear and kind of catchy. Now we get to the chord maker. It's able to construct a chord out of different notes from the scale, and then it can move the first note or the first two notes up an octave in the second part. And this chord function is referenced a lot by chord progression, which is the next thing, and it pretty much chooses a chord progression and generates it. And that plays in the background, and then the motifs are woven together and play in the foreground. So we generate a song right now, and it just gives us the details on what scale it chose and what starting note it used and what motif it did. And then this will repeat for the second part because there's like a second part of the song. And then we just copy this code at the bottom and paste it into Matlab. So this is the Matlab code, and I'm just going to start playing the song we just generated.